Hey guys, this is Manye Afiba and you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something a little bit different. I'm in the USA and as a Ghanaian girl, I decided to try out some noodles, the American style or the Korean style. But let me tell you something, it didn't exactly go the way I planned. It's so funny, guys, so grab a seat because this video is going to be so funny, so messy, and so delicious at the end, trust me. So let's go. So here's what happened. I saw this fancy cup of noodles at Walmart and the packaging looked so good. It was basically like smiling at me from the shelf, and me being curious, I thought, okay, maybe this is the moment to try something new. So I got this, and when you read the instruction on it, it says 5 minutes in the microwave. It's sweet and spicy, and there are like vegetables like bell peppers and little cabbages and some red vegetables in it. Yes, so I'm going to show you. So you pour water in the cup, guys, like I said, and you mix it very well, and you put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do like, comment, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Please share my videos to your friends, and thank you so much. So this is me putting it in the microwave. Guys, I wasn't supposed to do a voiceover for this video, but I didn't know that my voice wasn't coming. To be honest, I was talking. It was after I finished recording that I realized that my voice was on mute. So this is the noodles still in the microwave. So I decided to just pour myself a drink whilst waiting for my food. Please, I'm going to say it again, support me by liking, commenting, sharing. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And by the way, and it's the 5 minutes is here, and I went to check, and it was really hard. It was so hard, guys. Let me tell you something. Looks can be so deceiving because you see how this noodles, the packaging looks. It looks so colorful. It looks like it's going to be deceiving, but the smell and the looks and everything, it wasn't giving from like it wasn't giving, guys. I was expecting like more flavor, but after the 5 minutes, guys, it was still very hard. So I decided to put it back in and wait a little bit if it's going to get a little bit softer. So guys, this is me just showing off my cute dress. I made this dress. So guys, I'm so talented. I was just feeling myself, guys. And the most shocking thing happened. Just look at what happened. It's so disappointing. Like, this noodles disappointed me so much. No offense to the brand, and let me tell you something. It's not just the water like pouring, like the soup pouring. Not only that, it also tastes good. The taste was, just look at this. It looks so tasty. Like, it looks so delicious, but the taste is different from how it looks. Like, don't judge a book by its cover, guys. it tastes so different. This me trying to like at least try and eat it, but honestly, the taste was just not working for me. Like, I can't. I was like, no, I know I've used my money to buy this, but I can't just punish myself like this. No offense to people that like it, but just that, I'm a Ghanaian, I'm African, and the way we make our food is different. So, no offense. At this point, I was so hungry though, so I still wanted to eat. So I remember that I got other noodles too. So guys, don't leave. This is not the end of the video. That's all that I'm saying. And also at this point, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do like, comment, and share. So me deciding that I'm not going to end my evening starving. I got other noodles, so I chose one and decided to face a Ghanaian way noodles, like we do it in Ghana, like something with more flavor vibes. So I just went to the fridge and pull out all these secret weapons: eggs, sausages, fresh vegetables, and like carrots, green peppers, cucumbers, onions, everything that I'm showing you, and like everything that I could find, because if you're going to do noodles properly, you've got to make it a whole experience. You just can't just microwave something and call it a meal. Like, no. We don't do that here in Ghana. So first, guys, I put the water on fire and on the stove. Yeah. And this is me putting my noodles in the pot. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, because I'm going to feed you at least once a week. So this is me cutting my vegetables, and yeah, this is just me cutting my vegetables. And so making noodles is just simple. Like after putting the noodles on fire, like it can be like 3 minutes or 5 minutes. That's the maximum time. It can't be more than that. So after that, you cut your vegetables depending on the type of vegetables that you like or that is available to you. So this is the vegetables that I used. Yeah. So after cutting your vegetables, you have to like also make your, if you're using egg, you beat your egg, like you mix it and you fry the egg and you put it somewhere separate, okay? And then you fry your vegetables. After frying, so depending on how you like it, you're going to see how I like mine or how I make mine. Okay, so you fry it to the point that you like. Yeah, then after you mix everything, like you mix the noodles, the egg, and the vegetables, and you add seasoning and pepper to it. that's it. That's just this. It's just so simple to cook and very, very delicious. So I mostly cover my vegetables, like to steam it a little. So after everything looks like nice and golden, a little bit golden like this, you just add your eggs and everything. Like I said, you really have to add eggs to noodles, because what's noodles without egg? That's a crime, you know. So after that, guys, my noodles is ready finally, and my noodles is ready, and it looks so delicious. As you can see, look at this plate. It's so colorful, so fresh, so juicy, and the noodles is shining. You know, this is what we call enjoyment, and as you can see, I'm enjoying it. So now, guys, let me ask you something. Have you ever bought something because of the packaging and you thought it's going to look amazing, but then later try it and it was a total flop? Let me know in the comment below. Put everything in the comment box, guys. Don't laugh at me. And how do you make your noodles? Do you keep it simple, or do you go all out with eggs, sausages, and veggies like me? I want to know your secret recipes, because clearly I'm not trusting this microwave carbs again. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.